Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning the sound of letter U. The sound for this letter is A and the letter is U. Let's see some of the words that begin with the sound A. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for urn. Urn. U is for upset. Upset. U is for under. Under. U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for up. Up. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound A and the letter is U. Let's go through them once again. U is for umbrella. 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 U is for urn. Urn. U is for upset. 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 U is for under. Under. U is for uncle. 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 U is for up. Up. Now turn to your picture book, page number 22. U is for umbrella. U is for urn. Please don't do the other two pictures. Hope you all like the video. Thank you.